Dean & Bean Sock Machines now offers custom lids where you can create your own message, have it printed on the lid, and install it onto your sock machine. You can order online at deanandbean.com, and then once it arrives, in this video I'm going to show you how to install your new lid. Start by removing the yarn mast, then tip the row counter up and it will fit sideways right down in to the opening on the top of your lid. Take your new lid and again feed the row counter up through the opening. And you can set it back down in, or a hack that we use is to keep it tipped up because you can see it a little better as you're cranking. Then remove the cups from your old lid. Replace them and install your yarn mast. That's all there is to it. Happy cranking! Visit us at deanandbean.com and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.